Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Ayan, group from 3 to 4. Today I will be talking about the primary and the three-dimensional structure of protein based on book Biophysics by M.V. Wolkesteron from chapter number 4. Protein are essential molecules in our body. They help everything from building cell to carrying oxygen. It's all start with the primary structure of with sequence of amino acid. This sequence help protein fold into their 3D structure. Structure is like of ingredients for recipe. It's our of amino acid and this order comes from our genes. The sequence is super important because it controls how the protein will fold into the final shape. Self-assembly. After the primary structure is made, the protein start to fold all the by itself without any helps. This process is called self-assembly. Self-assembly. After the primary structure is made, the protein start to fold all by itself without any help. This process is called self-assembly. The folding happens very fast within a second. There are many ways a protein could fold. Nature has found a way to fold them it in the right shape every time. Hierarchy protein structure. Protein fold in step by step manner. First they form smaller structure like alpha helix, curly shape and beta sheets, zigzag shape. They small shape they then come together to form larger structure called dominase. Finally, the protein fold into the compact 3D shape. First image, hierarchy of protein structure. You can see the process of protein folding happens in step. The primary structure, which is just a sequence of amino acids. First form alpha helix and beta helix. Their segments come together to form large unit called dominase. Finally, all the parts combine into the compact 3D structure. The hierarchy is key to understanding how to protein fold and work. Stability and function. Hydrophobic parts of protein which don't like water hide inside hydrophilic parts which like water stay on the outside. These help protein become stable and to their jobs. The 3D shape is very important from the protein to function properly in our body. Natural and evolution. Protein finally shape are also related evolution. The base shape that work for living organism and naturally selected over time. Some mutation change in the amino acid sequence can help without affecting the function of the protein which help in evolution. While showing the second image, this image summarizes the journey from the primary structure to the quaternary structure. The primary structure is the amino acid sequence which fold into secondary structure like helix and sheets. This then fold into more complex